Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to remove CapCut ending. If you've been searching for a way to remove the CapCut watermark or ending logo, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To remove the CapCut ending watermark from your video, first, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once you're in CapCut, start a new project or open an existing one that you want to edit. From the editing screen, you can remove the CapCut logo before saving it to your device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the video timeline. Now, scroll to the very end of your video in the timeline. At the end of the timeline, you'll see the default CapCut logo or ending clip. To delete this ending clip, tap on the CapCut ending clip. Once selected, you'll see a delete icon at the bottom. Just tap on this delete icon. After removing the CapCut ending, you can continue editing or tap on the export button to save your video without the CapCut ending.